Okay, what's going on everybody? AK Meraki here, and today I'm just excited. So as you know, I created a travel YouTube channel without actually traveling, like anywhere. Every video I've filmed has been here, in my living room. But today, I'm actually going somewhere. It's a suitcase. I haven't used one of these in a long time. I should probably fold them. Well, do you roll? Do you roll? I like to roll. Roll, roll, roll. So you're probably wondering where I'm going. I'll be heading 2 hours south to a unique little cabin accommodation in the country. Think wilderness experience, not rose petals on your pillow. Try to imagine being dwarfed by nature. You see, after an extended lockdown in the city of Sydney, being out in nature is exactly what I need. So I'm going completely off the grid for the next 48 to 72 hours. No reception, no phone, no laptop, no internet, and I have no problem with that. Maybe I should make a move. Okay, so this cabin that I'm on my way to was done by a startup travel company called UNYOKED, and they are all about unplugging and unwinding in the wilderness. And there are many of these cabins dispersed all over Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane and Canberra. The best part is that all these cabins are only 1.5 to 2 hours away from all of those cities. These tiny architectural cabins are on private land and are made to get you out of the city and into the country. Okay, so I've arrived, but I haven't arrived. So the cabin is located in an area where cars can't get to. So I'm now going to go on a 700-800 meter trek through, I don't know, it says here, park here, continue on foot, leave worries behind. And I can assure you I'm leaving worries behind. But the trek starts here. So the cool part is I thought I'd have to carry all my luggage, but they give us wheelbarrows. You know how cool that is? A wheelbarrow. Oh my god. Lifesaver. Off we go. Okay, so there's a waterfall right behind me. So we're about 2-3 minutes into this walk, and it's already amazing. Well, after a long hike, about 700 meters, out of breath, this is it. It's pretty amazing. It's like a primitive paradise out here. It's hard to explain. It's a lot grander than I originally first thought. The gusts of wind out here have a fragrance to them. It's a scent that's unique to Australia. Spiritually refreshing out here to smell the mulchy mix of the forest's fragrance. Am I overdosing on nature? No such thing. You see, in a generation that's completely dislocated from the outdoors, these unique off-the-grid experiences provide you with temporary liberation from the concrete jungle and your commitments. Thousands of acres of exclusive wilderness for you to sit back, relax, and enjoy yourself. Cooking up a feast here. Cabin pawn with a beer, overlooking the waterfall, while listening to the waterfall, squidding pasta, don't know what else to say. We're going to attempt to make a fire. Can you tell I've spent too much time in the city, not enough time making fires? Right, so just a recap of the day. It took us about 4 hours to get here, stopping for prawns. Had a bit of a trek up a hill with a wheelbarrow. Those wheelbarrows, priceless commodities, those wheelbarrows were. Amazing drone footage today. It's my first time ever flying a drone too, if I didn't mention that before. Cooked up a storm of these squid ink pasta and prawns. But before that, I made an attempt at a fire, which I probably shouldn't post, but I will. I want you all to see how bad I really am at making fires. Process, the preparation was all a big failure. Anyway, Negroni, 3 beers, bunch of filming, amazing dinner. So I'm getting ready for bed. I can't wait to wake up early. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, good morning. So it's about 5:30 in the morning, and this is my morning nature attire. Yeah. What do you think? Probably gonna get some drone shots in the next half hour. I was hoping if I could get the drone to get over to that little misty part right over there. Plenty of range. Might get back over there too for another waterfall shot. Not only do I feel like I'm sleeping in the treetops up here, but I feel like I'm also sleeping on the clouds. This bed was incredible. Vista here is very dramatic. So to the guys at UNYOKED, you've completely outdone yourself with this place, and I will be returning. And to anyone who hasn't been here, well, come on. Anyway, that's all for me today, guys. I've got to start packing and get out of here. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.